Hello everyone. Do you want to learn how to develop a web applications like Zomato, Netflix or Instagram? Then the MERN Stack is a skill set which you should have in your toolkit. In today's video, I will be discussing what is MERN Stack, what are the prerequisites to learn MERN Stack, and what are the technologies we are going to cover, and what are the job roles or what kind of job roles we can apply for, and what are the packages we can expect as a fresher or experienced person. So first, let's understand what is MERN Stack. Here, M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express, R stands for React, and N stands for Node.js. All these are the technologies using which we are going to develop a web application. Now, web application development consists of three parts: front-end part, back-end part, database, and we are going to use some tools for our project development. When it comes to front-end part, here we are going to learn the technologies like HTML, CSS, so JavaScript, React.js, and Bootstrap. Using HTML, we are going to learn how to create user interface and how to create the web pages. Using CSS, we are going to understand how we can style those user interfaces or web pages. Using JavaScript, we are going to learn how to create dynamic user interface and how we can add styles dynamically on our user interface. Using React, we are going to learn how to create a single page applications. And Bootstrap will help us to make our application responsive. It means it should be well suited for different types of devices. Now, to learn this HTML and CSS, we have to spend 15 days of time. And to learn JavaScript, we can spend around 25 days of time. And to learn React, you can spend around 30 to 35 days. And Bootstrap will take around 7 days to learn all these technologies. Once you learn all these technologies, you can be a front-end engineer and you can apply for job roles like a front-end engineer, a front-end developer, React developer, or a JavaScript developer. So coming to the backend, here we have to learn Node.js and Express.js. Using Node.js, we can develop business logic for implementing functionalities like email sending, OTP, sorting the products based on rating or maybe price, or filtering the products based on categories, order tracking, payment integration. All these kind of features we can develop using Node.js. And all these services we can expose using REST APIs, and those REST APIs we can develop using Express.js. So backend is all about developing the functionality of your application. Once you learn backend, you will be called as a backend engineer, and you can apply for the job roles like Node.js developer or a backend developer. And to learn this Node.js and Express.js, you can spend around 30 to 35 days. Once you are good with the backend, then you have to focus on database. In database, we have two types of database. We have SQL database, we have NoSQL database. Under SQL database, we can learn databases like Oracle or MySQL. And when it comes to NoSQL database, there we can learn MongoDB. Using SQL databases like Oracle and MySQL, we can manage structured data. And using NoSQL databases like MongoDB, we have Redis, we have Cassandra. Using such databases, you can handle non-structured data. So once you are good with the database, for our project development, we have to learn some tools. So whatever technologies we have learned here, using that we are going to develop a web application. Means we are going to write some source code. Now to manage those source code, we are going to learn a tool called Git and GitHub. And the REST APIs which we are going to develop using our Express.js. To test those REST APIs, we are going to use a tool called Postman. And to monitor our application, front-end, back-end application, we are going to use a tool called MERN. So once we're done with the development part of our application using these technologies, now this is the time where we have to make our application live. So for that, we have to go with deployment process. So to deploy our applications, we have to learn some cloud technologies and DevOps tools like AWS, Docker, and Kubernetes. So by using these technologies, we can make our deployment easy and simple. So once you learn all these things, now you will be a MERN Stack developer. And you can expect as a fresher 2.5 to 4.5 LPA as a package, and as an experienced person based on your experience year into 3 lakhs. For example, if you have 3 years of experience, then 3 into 3, it's like 9, you can expect 9 LPA package. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any kind of doubts, then feel free to comment on the video.